Who wants to join with me? Kimaya, come sing with me. We are the Brigade Chorus
Man.
We are the Brigade.
I don't remember.
Chorus Band. We are the Brigade.
We are the Brigade Chorus Band. Whoa.
Kimaya, I want you to sing the stanza.
So I don't remember. I guess.
Okay, this is such a beautiful line of the song. Okay, I'll start and you have to join me, okay? Then you'll remember it. We will stand together in the light to raise the banner high. Would you just open your camera, please? All the students, it's a request. Please turn on your camera.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. All right, Kimaya, how are you?
Fine, not fine.
Okay, fine, not fine. Okay, now you'll feel good after singing that song because music heals, you know. Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, start. We will stand together in the light to raise the banner high. Come on, sing it.
Oh, flag off. So I don't remember actually.
Kima, your screen is again off, beta. Just make sure that your screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
We will stand together in the light to raise the banner high.
Sir, what is the
I'm going to
name
bring the
of the
notebook.
song?
Will always fly, and the success will be a star.
Sir, what is
The
the name of
values
that?
The
of
values of nation.
1, 2, 3, stop. We are the Brigade.
The Brigade Chorus Band.
Very nice.
Sir, what is the name of that?
Chorus Band.
We are the
The
Brigade.
Brigade Chorus Band. Whoa.
All right, very good. Very well done, Maya. Thank you so much for singing such a beautiful song,
Yes, sir. Yes.
especially those lines. Yes, Aryan, are you saying something, beta?
Sir, what is the name of that song?
What's the name of the song? This is a song. Aryan, please, everyone, please turn on your camera so that I can see all of you.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Sorry, my voice is my voice not clear? There would be some issues. There would be some issues.
Sir, sir, your video is stopping. Your voice is cracking.
I think that there's some issue with Aryan's microphone. All right, we have. So, how many students do we have today? Okay, we have 12 students, and guys, you'll be glad to know that today's topic that we'll be learning is the difference between the notes and chords. The difference between the notes and chords, and I just wanna have someone on the screen if they can tell me if you have any idea about the chord. Have you ever heard that term chord or notes? Is there anyone? You can speak up your name, please. If you know, if you have any idea, you can tell me. Is there any student who can tell me about the note and chord? If they would have heard. Kimaya, are you there? Kimaya, Vanishka Singh. Can you hear me? Kimaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kimaya, do you have any idea about note or the chord?
Note is a single sound, whereas a chord is a group of sounds.
Very nice. Could you please come on the screen as well? Kimaya, please open your screen. Yeah, keep it open.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Vanishka. Could you please come on the screen as well? Yes, very nice. So, Kimaya, what did you say about the note and the chord?
Sir,
Tell
a
everyone.
note is a single sound, whereas a chord is a group of sounds.
Note is a single sound and chord is a different. Chord is a
Group of sounds, sir.
group of sounds. Okay. Vanishka, what's your take on that? Is she right or wrong? Or is there any other definition of that? She's right. Very nice. Okay, Vanishka, we are having this conversation after so long time. Okay, so before I start, I move on to the other topic and other fact about the chords and notes. Let's hear a song from you. Why? Are you shy? Then what happened? Okay, you tell me any of your favorite song. I'll play that on guitar. Okay, I think that Vanishka is feeling shy right now. Can we have Sanya here? Sanya on screen. Sanya, could you please turn on your camera? How are you, beta? Good? You two feeling shy right now? Sanya, could you please just turn on your mic as well? It's on mute, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, are you feeling shy like Vanishka? But you're a rock star. You performed it amazing on the Winter Carnival. Okay, let's have a song that we sung on the Winter Carnival in the group, right? Let's play a song. I'll play a beat. Okay, I'll just play a beat and you have to start. Let's see if the other students can.
Sir, beat is my work. Sir, beat is
Sorry?
my work. Nobody can.
Maya,
The
you wanna
beat
do
is
that?
my work.
You wanna do
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
come
sir.
on the
Yes.
screen. Come on the screen. You start.
I am. Sir, which song?
Can I play this? Sanya, you can start singing it. The whole band is ready for you. Kima, you have to sing it with her. Start. 1, 2, 3, start.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a ring. Sania, sing. I'm not singing without Sania.
Sanya, please sing it, but otherwise she won't sing it. All the
Yes, sir,
students are
because
waiting
she
for.
has to practice, sir.
Okay, Kima, go on.
No, sir, I have different work to do.
Who wanna sing it? Vanishka, do you want to sing it? Is there any other students who wanna sing this song? Such a beautiful song.
Sir, I.
Who wanna sing it? Paki.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Paki, come on the screen, please. How are you, beta?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Paki, do you remember this song? Okay, just sing with me. We will be.
We will rock it.
Come on.
Yes, sir. We
We will rock you.
Sir, can't we sing Believer?
we will rock it.
Who is singing that?
We
Aryan.
Aryan, sir, Aryan.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a
Aryan,
ring.
please come on the camera.
It's gonna be a someday.
I am on the camera.
Yes. And who else wants to sing? Okay, let's have this rocking performance with all the 4 students on the screen. I have Kimaya, I have Aryan, I have Paki, and I have Sanya. Sanya, please turn on your camera. Let's have this rocking performance so that we can just warm up with the today's session, and then
Sir,
we'll
can we sing Believer?
Sir,
after that. Okay. Okay, I'm starting the beat.
sir.
If you all can listen to me, I'm starting the beat.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
Can I also sing
After this. After this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Start.
We were rocking.
Kimaya, start.
Party on the bar, make a big noise, sing in the streets, gonna take time someday, got mud on your face, your bitch is crazy,
Sing it
keeping
louder.
your can all over the place. Sing, we will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. So I did not catch the beat. Did not catch the beat.
Okay. Sanya, it's your turn now. Any other song? Okay, okay. Let's do one thing. I'm playing whistle of a tune, and let's see if you can identify the tune. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
do this.
Sure.
Who's there?
The Vodafone.
Okay, okay. Who is saying Vodafone? Kimaya.
I mean, yes, sir.
Kimaya, do you use Vodafone? That is
No,
why you're
sir.
saying Vodafone.
No, sir. I use Airtel, but it kind of seems like Vodafone.
Okay, Sanya, what about you? Which is it? Airtel. Who's waiting?
So, guessing challenge.
Okay, I just want to know one thing. Who was playing that? Please speak up your name and come on the camera.
So, Kimaya.
Kimaya, you were playing that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, all
Sir,
right.
this is-
Kimaya, play one more time.
You are this.
Okay. Who wanna guess the song?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Aryan. Yes, Aryan.
Sir, this is faded. And sir, I know it.
Okay. Very nice.
Sir, it is my favorite song.
Okay. All right,
Another-
everyone. So
another-
I think we all are charged up now, and let's start with today's topic, that is the chord and a note. And because Kimaya has already told us that according to Kimaya, a note is a single sound, whereas the chord is a group of sounds. So, is there anyone who has heard that term? Okay, I just want to know if there is someone who is learning piano or guitar, they can just speak up their name. They can just unmute it. Apart from Kimaya, other students.
Sir, can I sing a song today?
Is there way? Paki, you'll get your chance, beta. You'll definitely get
Okay,
your
sir.
chance. Okay. Vanishka, do you play any instrument?
Piano, but not now.
Okay, you play piano. Okay. So have you heard that term?
I also play piano.
Have you heard that term, the chord and the note?
No, sir.
All right. So let me clear that concept in all your minds, that a note, Kimaya was right. A note is a single sound when a sound comes out of any instrument. Okay, listen it again very carefully. When the sound comes out of an instrument, like if we play piano and if we play a single key, like, are you able to hear the sound? Okay, so when we play one key at one point of time, then single sound comes out of the piano, right? When I play, so this is a single sound, that when I play one key at a time, then a single sound comes out, and that single sound from the instrument is known as note. Is it clear? In our Indian classical music, we have sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa dha ni Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. And what do we call in the Western music? C D E F G A B C. C D E F G A B C. So all these letters that we have dedicated to all these words are known as notes. Is it clear? Vanishka, is it clear to you? Yes. All these sounds like sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Okay, so can anyone tell me how many notes are there in this group? C D E F G A B C. How many notes are there? Who will tell me? Just count it.
7.
7. Who is saying 7?
Sir, 8.
Sir, nobody.
Who is saying 8? Okay, okay. Just raise your hand if you are saying 7.
Sir,
Raise your
8.
hand if you are saying 7.
Sir,
8.
7. Sir, 7.
Who is saying 7? Just raise your
Sir,
hand.
7.
Okay, Kimaya is
Sir,
saying
Kimaya.
there are 7 notes in the group. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Okay, let's count it. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. You can count on your fingers as well. So according to Kimaya, there are 7 notes because she's counting till ni. C D E F G A B. You are counting till B. When you count it till B, there are 7 notes. When you count it till C, it becomes 8 notes. Okay. So in Indian classical music, we have the group, and the group is known as Saptak. The sargam that we call, the group that we call sargam, sare gama padha nisa, we know it as a sargam. Sare gama padha. In the sargam, we have 7 notes. 7 सुरों की जो सरगम होती है, that we have in Western classical music, we have the group of 7 or 8 notes. 7 when they are different notes, and 8 in the total notes, because C is the repetition of the first note, right? So what happens exactly when we count the total number of notes, it becomes 8, and that is why the group is known as octave. What do we call it? What do we call it?
So, octave.
Very nice. We call it octave. So how many notes? Now just focus on that term, because that term is very, very important in the from the musical perspective. Note is the basic foundation of the music. Note is the smallest sound in the music. The smallest note in the music is the standard note. Okay, who will tell me the standard note? Aryan, are you there? Can we have you here on the screen? Aryan, which is the standard note according to you? We have C to C, like 8 notes. Which is the standard note?
Sir, I think so, sir. 8 notes is the standard note.
8 note according to Aryan. Aryan, it's just a random guess according to you, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, because in which tuition I study, in there is also Casio class, and ma'am tell me about
Okay,
that.
ma'am told you what?
Sir, sir, there are 8 keys standard units.
Okay, so in your tuition class, you learned that there are 8 notes, and the 8th note is the standard note. But I'll tell you, the first note of the scale, C, is the standard note. All right, everyone. The C is the standard note, and C is also the first key of the key, the first white key. Okay, are you playing piano?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so would you play something? Would you play a tune or sing something?
Sir, I play Saregama, Shape of You, and Happy Birthday song.
Okay, let's hear the happy birthday tune from Aryan. Everybody, Aryan, you play it on piano, and we'll have a jamming. So,
Sir,
would you like?
also know.
Would you
Sir,
like
I
to?
also know.
Okay, would you like to hear the
Sir,
combination?
I also sing.
Aryan piano. Okay, we'll first listen from Aryan, and then I'll go to the Kimaya. Okay, Aryan, started, beta. Would you do one thing? Just a favor. Could you please change the tone is to the piano, the keyboard tone to the piano. I think this is something else. This tone is something else. Could you please change it?
So,
Yes.
sir, the tone is a harp. Sir, I know it's harp.
Yes. Now play it. Okay, Kima, it's your turn to play this.
So wait, I am finding the key.
Yes, Kima, play.
Sir, I hate my breath. Yes. Baat.
Sir, can I sing?
Very nice. All right, and I'll go to Paki. Paki, you wanna sing something, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's have Paki on the screen. Paki the rock star is here, and Paki is going to entertain us all. Paki, what you wanna sing?
Yes.
What you wanna sing? Paki, do you remember the Aspen song? Okay, let's hear
Yes,
the Aspen song.
sir.
And
Yes, sir, with guitar, sir.
okay, and which is your favorite instrument, guitar or piano?
The guitar.
Guitar. So you want me to play guitar for you while you sing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's hear the Aspen song from Paki.
We all sing, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, Paki, I'll first play the tune. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll first play the notes of the Aspen song. Okay. Start.
We are
We are
the
the biggest all fun. We are the biggest all
oldest band.
Yes, come on. We are the brigade all
Oldest band.
Come on, sing it louder. We are
We
the
will
We are the
stand
children of the past.
and stand. We are the leaders of tomorrow.
very good.
Always try to do and do. We are be honest
To be
and
honest and upright to
upright.
Come on, sing it louder. We
We
are
are
the
the
brigade
brigade
all
called
We are the
the
brigade.
brigade called SPAM. We are the brigade called SPAM.
Thank you, Paki, for such a beautiful song. And
Yes,
Muskan,
sir.
Muskan wants to sing the few other lines as well. Muskan, are you ready?
No, sir.
Why? You are singing so beautiful. You're singing so amazing, beta. You can sing it. Who wanna sing the other lines? Vanishka, you wanna sing it?
Sir, can I
I
sing
was
the shape
thinking,
of
sir.
you?
Okay, Vanishka. We will stand together.
Together in delight.
Sing it louder. We will stand together in delight to raise the banner high. The flag of school
will always shine and our success will be a sign. The best of nations.
we are the brigade called
It's
us.
all as fun. We
We
are
are
the
the
biggest
brigade
fun.
called us. Thank you so much, and I'll play the notes of the Aspen song on piano. Okay, just focus on the word that I'm telling again and again. Notes. So notes are the individual sounds that when they combine, they make a tune. So when we make a tune, we make a tune with the help of notes. Okay. Just a moment, beta. Please mute everyone so that you all can hear me very clearly. I'll play the notes of the same composition. Can you hear it? Okay, so the second important thought, the second important fact about the notes is when notes combine, they compile into a proper tune. Okay, who's playing the notes of Shape of You right now? Is it Aryan? Aryan, is it you?
Yes, sir.
Aryan, please, okay, just do one thing. When I'm teaching you, you don't have to play while I'm telling something. Okay, and when you want to play something, just say, "Sir, I wanna play this." Okay. Okay, Aryan. I didn't understand that. Okay, thank you, beta. Okay, so we were discussing about the note, and notes are the individual sounds. When they compile, they form a complete tune. Okay, this was about the notes. Okay, now we come to chords. Okay, Aryan, you were playing something. Aryan, would you tell us about something? Chords, whatever you know, just an idea. Aryan, please unmute your channel first. Aryan, please unmute it first. I cannot hear you. You're not audible, beta. Okay, is there anyone else who can tell me about, who has any idea about the chords?
So chords are group of notes.
Who is she?
Ma'am Kimaya, sir Kimaya.
Kimaya. Kimaya, come on the camera, beta, first. Chords are the group of notes. Okay, which notes we are talking about? Okay, as Kimaya said, first come to the definition of chords. According to Kimaya and according to the concept, when individual sound comes out of the instrument, it is known as note. And when two or more note sounds come together, it is known as chords. When we play more than two notes, okay, it can be, a chord can be in any instrument because this is a sound. So it can come out from the piano, it can come out from the guitar, it can come out from the vocals as well. So the basic idea behind the chorus is, it is a sound, it is a collective sound of more than two notes. Okay, is it clear? It is a collective sound of more than two notes. Okay, so this was about the chords. This was a basic definition of chord. And let's first get to know how many of you play piano. Kimaya play piano, Aryan play piano. Except them, is there anyone else who plays piano? Rohin. Yes, Rohin, how are you? Rohin, please come. Rohin, could you please come on the camera? Yes, yes, Rohin. Rohin, how are you, beta? Good. Rohin, what you were playing? Just play on the piano. What you were playing?
It is in different room where I study.
Okay, your piano is not here. Your piano is in the different room.
I was playing. Sir, I was playing.
Kimaya, you only have to play when I'll ask you to play. You don't need to play in between, beta. Okay? Okay. Rohin, please come on the camera because Rohin is a very good keyboard player, and we'll ask something about the chords and notes from Rohin. Rohin, so what is a chord according to you?
Keyboard.
Chord. We are talking about chord. Yeah. CHORD, chord.
In keyboard.
Yes, in keyboard.
It is used to change the beat of the rhythm.
Very good. You are coming closer to something. Okay, so one more fact about notes and chords. Okay, so when I play a tune, okay, so I uses so many notes all together. I compile all the notes together and I form a tune. Suppose if I want to play this. when I'm playing this, I'm playing a tune, and the tune is being assembled from notes. So I'm playing so many notes all together, and it is forming a tune. And according to Rohin said that he plays the rhythm with the help of chords. So he's right. When we combine all the chords, it takes a form of a rhythm. Okay, because what we are doing in the chords, we are playing more than one note. So suppose if I want to play a chord in the guitar, can you see my guitar? Okay, if I want to play a chord, I'll play like this. If I have to play other chord, I'll play like, so it is more than one sound. And when I combine these chords, it takes a form of a rhythm like. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। Sing it. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। Thank you. So this was song for all beautiful students who are attending this class, all the 6th A and 6th B students. And this was a song which I was playing on chords. And when I joined all the chords, it take a form of a rhythm. Okay, so we got two differences, two important differences. First difference is between the note and the chord is a note is a okay. I won't ask from Kimaya, Aryan, and Rohin. I'll ask from Somil. Can I have you on my screen? Other students, please go on mute by yourself. Somil, can I have you here on the screen? Okay, I'll take random students from the list and let's see if they know about now if they have any idea about the note and chord. Okay, I'll have Somil, I'll have Tejas Pratap Singh, and I'll have can we have Amna Khan? Please turn on your camera, beta. Tejas, Amna, and Somil. Please turn your camera on. Yes. And Somil as well. Okay, could you please unmute your mic as well, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Tejas,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. You feeling fresh now? It's good afternoon, well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tejas, we were discussing about notes and chords today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the main difference between the note and the chord?
Sir, chords are of guitar and notes are of piano and keyboard.
Okay, so according to you, don't we have notes on the guitar? We just have chords on the guitar?
Chords.
Okay, let me give you a clear picture about the notes and the chords. We can have notes on guitar and piano, and we can have a notes and chords on guitar and piano both. We can have both the type of sounds on both the instruments. There is a relation between a note and a chord. When we play a single sound, it becomes note. When we play group of notes all together, it becomes chords.
Chords.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When I'm playing one string, suppose if I'm playing this, can you see me playing the first string of the guitar?
Yes, sir.
So it is one note. Okay, when I'll play all the strings together, it is more than a note. It is a group of notes, right? Because every string has assigned on a different note. It is on E, it is on B, G, D, as I told you in the earlier classes. So when I strike all the notes all together, it forms chords. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And because now you have understood the concept between the note and the chord, the first concept. Second concept is when we join all the notes together, it takes the form of a tune, right? Suppose if I'm playing, okay, I'm okay. Let's do one thing. I'm playing a tune, and let's see if you can identify that. Okay. Okay, who will tell me? Tejas. Tejas, you have to tell me. No one else will give me the answer. Please. Why? Tejas, can you identify the tune? I play the notes. Sorry.
Aarti, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. This is the composition. This is the tune of the aarti that we sing. The prayer, like when we sing a prayer in the in the temple, when we sing the aarti. So this is the tune of aarti, like Om Jai Jagadish Hare. You all would have heard that tune, right? So this was a tune, and that tune actually, uh, whose mic is on? Okay, Tejas, is that yours? Because some noise is coming, beta. So just make sure, just sit in the same position. Okay, so when I joined the notes, when I joined all the single sounds, it took form of the arti, it took form of a composition which you can easily identify. Suppose if I want to play, if I want to sing that arti, so what I'll do, I'll play chords. And in chords, what I'll do, I'll play a group of notes together like this. And now I can play a rhythm. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Jai Jagadish Hare. So can you find the relation between the notes and the chords?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because we are on the verge of winding up the class. The class time is over. And before winding up this class, I just want to know, I just want to listen a beautiful song. And who is going to sing a beautiful song? Who wanna sing it? Paki, would you like to sing it?
Okay. So can we finally sing?
Who want to sing it? Kimaya, were you saying something?
So can we finally sing Believer?
Believe. Okay, you wanna sing Believer? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me have Kimaya and all
So
the.
I will play the beat. Sir, I will play the beat.
Okay, beta. Kimaya, please come on the camera.
Good morning. Can I say something, Mr. Vijay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone.
Good
I
morning.
must tell you, I really enjoyed this class. You know, the chords and the notes which you showed, the difference was beautiful. I must tell you, your children
you.
are awesome. They're very awesome. They're singing so well. Yeah, you got a very good class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
for
so
giving
much.
me this opportunity. And I'm sure that in the coming days, there'll be many good singers in your school. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Bye.
we would like to sing a song. If you can just wait for a minute.
Yes. I would.
Okay, Kimaya, please come on the screen. All the rock stars, please come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Kimaya, Sanya, Paki.
Sir, me too.
Yes, Vanishka. Please come on the screen and please turn on your camera. Okay, so we are singing a beautiful song and ma'am is listening to us. So let's jam it and let's create an amazing performance. Okay, like the way you did in the carnival.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Kimaya, play the.
First time, say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and love the way the things have been. Ooh, the way the things have been. Ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the cell, I'm the master of the CEO. Ooh, the master of the CEO. Ooh. I was broken from anger, taking my soaking. She's the master designer of poems for the few that love me, shook me, feel. Sing from heartache, from the pain. Take my message from the rain, take my lessons from the rain. Sing the beauty to the. Hey, you make me believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my God, it came from.
Thank you so much. Beta.
The song
And
was so beautiful.
Thank you,
What's
ma'am.
the name of the girl? Kimia. Kimia, is it? Kimia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she sang so well. Wonderful. I'm sure that you'll become a great singer in future. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. It was a lovely class. I enjoyed. I hope to see you all when I come to Delhi. Yeah. So
Yeah,
enjoy
ma'am,
your
sure.
classes. You have a very good teacher. Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a great day. Okay, students, it's a bye time. Please, you all can walk away from the class. You all can enjoy the class. Okay, we'll see you on the next
A
class next
question.
week. Yes,
The question, who was that?
she was a ma'am. She was ma'am from Dubai, and she was observing our class.
Kimaya, very well done. I'm so impressed. I'm so
Thank you,
impressed.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Kimaya
ma'am.
is my good baby and a real rock star. And 3 cheers for Vijay sir. Very good. Good job. Good
Thank
job.
you, ma'am. Thank you,
Love
ma'am.
you. Bye-bye.
All right, students.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye bye. You all can leave the class now and
Okay, sir.
sing,
Bye,
do
sir.
music, and we'll see you in the next week. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.